Our Waukesha Cherry-Burrell Universal 2 Industrial Positive Displacement Pump, also known as the Universal 2ND, now features the gas surface treatment. So we take all of our wear parts and we put them through this nitrocarburization process. And essentially what that does is it changes the surface material of the 316 into a much harder alloy to handle those abrasive applications. Typically in the industry, what we see is a sort of a surface coating, something like a chrome plating or a diamond impregnated surface coating. What's really cool about the gas process is it actually changes the material structure of the 316 stainless. The pump is going to wear at a certain rate. At a certain point, you're going to have to start replacing components. The purpose of this treatment on our pumps is to reduce that rate of wear. By hardening the surface of the 316 with a gas treatment process, we can actually increase the lifetime of the pump so that you can run this pump for longer and replace parts less frequently.